So, without starting anything, I just want to take a cup of tea or a cup of coffee and sit down on your usual place where you do your bullet journaling and just get into it. So, I've already done few things before like this. It says inhale calmness and exhale stress. I think that was a really nice thing, and I did get this off of Pinterest. So, I would love for you guys to check out that app if you haven't already. And then this is what I did. This I made for my mom. It says, if love is as sweet as a flower, then my mom is the sweet flower of love. So I think that was really cute, so I did that for my mom. And then this is what I did for me. It's very abstract-y. I kind of went with flowers and all of that stuff. And then this is more abstract kind of things. It has watercolor, it has paper, it has quotes, it has positivity. That is my goal for this month. And it has flowers. It says I love you. And yes, I already told you that positivity is the goal for this month. And I went with a little sticker on the top. It says have an attitude of gratitude. And yup, my next spread is going to be really simple. So I have this book which is all scribbled in it, and I usually tear pages from that book and I crush it, kind of like how I did it here. I'm not going to be wasting this paper. Do not waste paper, by the way, guys. I'm going to be using all of the paper. So I crushed it twice because I didn't think that it was enough. So what you'll need for this spread is a normal tape, an eraser, glue stick or Fevicol, and a pair of scissors and any pen. A black pen I chose, which is Pentonic, which I've been using that for the longest time. And I cut it with the scissors first in between, and then I tore it with my hand for it to give a vintagey look kind of, and it worked really well. So I would definitely recommend you guys to do that as well if you haven't already done for your bullet journal. And I just wanted to cover up that little sticker which already the book gives, because I didn't like that much. So that is why I did this. By the way, you can also use the sides, but I decided not to use it. I will use it later on. I will save it, so I just kept it on the side. I will not throw that, but I didn't use it for this particular task. So yeah, so I put some glue on there. And by the way, this spread is going to be named self-care, for like basically what I do for my skin and what I should be thinking when I'm a little, I have a spa day or something like that. And that's really important for this month because my goal is positivity. That's why a little bit of calmness is really good in life. So I did the entire same thing what I did on top on the bottom with the same paper and the same tape to look more nice, and it looked really good. So if you are trying this spread, then I'm sure you should try this out because I really liked it, and it should come out kind of like this. And then now I'm going to be using a pencil to write down self-care. I chose the bottom corner. You can write it wherever you want. So then I am using my watercolor markers, which are really nice, and I have this light blue color, which I will be using, and it's a really good color. You can use any other color, whatever you're going for, whatever your theme is, but because that tape I chose, that's why I used a blue color. And then I just outlined a little with my black Pentonic marker. So now I'm taking my grey marker and I'm drawing a plant in the side, and it looked really cute. I'm using another black pen, a gel pen, because my other Pentonic pen is running out of ink, so I need that for other things. That's why I'm using this gel pen. You can get this anywhere, any stationery shop. So yep. So with a grey marker again, I am writing soul in big letters, in alphabets which are really big, but not in cursive. And underneath that you can write whatever makes you feel calm, and whatever you feel really good, you can write that. I wrote listen to peaceful, calm music which can make you sleep. Next thing which I'm going to be writing in big is mind. So whatever calms your mind down, you can also write that down. For example, you can write different stuff. You can write how much ever you want. You can write. So I wrote positive next to it because that's my goal. That's why I wrote positive. Actually, I was supposed to write it before mind, but it's totally fine. So I wrote plan a vacation, stay off your phone, breathe in and breathe out, think of good things, write any motivational quotes, etc. You can do whatever you want, but I wrote those stuff as I showed you. And the next thing is going to be body. So basically whatever skincare you use and whatever makes you feel good. So like a face mask, a warm hot bath, and like a bubble bath, a shower, things kind of like that. And drink water, drink your healthy water with some lemon and honey and ginger. Drink your tea, drink some coffee, and just breathe some fresh air. Go outside for a walk, but you can't really now, but it's totally fine. You can do that other times after this lockdown and stuff like that. Don't think about stressful stuff and bad things while you're writing this. Think about positive stuff and what you can actually do. So it should come out like this at the end, but obviously we are not done. There is a lot of empty spaces. So what I am going to be doing is I'm going to be writing daily reminders. So basically I took this pink marker, and you can use any other marker, and you're going to be writing daily reminders which make you happy and whatever motivates you. So basically things that you think that are not actually true, but it is true. Like you're beautiful, the day is nice, the weather is good, you're pretty, you don't need to work out, you're strong. All of that good stuff you can write down, whatever you want. I wrote you're beautiful, you're pretty, the day is beautiful, and stuff like that. You are dash, you are dash, whatever you want to write, you can go with. You are confident, etc. I actually did write a small quote underneath self-care to just motivate me a little bit more, and I love this page, I love this spread. I think it is a beautiful spread and I really like the spread. I think this is my favorite spread from all my other spreads, and let me just show you what the end result was. So to make that beautiful spread, I only used some Fevicol and a beautiful tape. You can use any other one. I used this one because it is really nice, and a Pentonic pen because, obviously, and a pencil, and 3 of my watercolor markers, and another pen because my Pentonic pen was running out of ink. That is it, and I just crushed some paper and I used it, nothing else, and it looked gorgeous. So my next spread is going to be 1 word per day. I drew 31 boxes, even though there are 30 days. I drew 31 boxes. I was a little confused if there are 30 or 31 days, I forgot, and I just outlined all of them. So yep. If you know, I never ever use habit trackers, like I've never ever used one, and I thought I will do this. It's not really a habit tracker, but it is a tracker of you writing a positive word every day, and I chose this spread because I think it is really nice and it is really motivational, and you have a task to do every single day. So I think it was a really nice choice for me, because my goal is positivity and motivation. So yep, I thought that was really nice. That's why I chose that spread. It should kind of look like this at the end of it. You can decorate it a little bit, like draw some things around it and doodle a little bit. So yeah. So because I thought it was a little bit plain on the side, that's why I drew corners, and I wrote a little quote name. It's not really a quote, but it says stay positive, because yep, that's my goal and I'm gonna be writing that word a lot. And I just drew a little heart on both sides, and I did draw 2 other things as well, and I thought I will crush some paper and I will use it. So I did write kindness on the bottom corner because I think that's a really nice word. And yep. So this is how the end result came out, and I really like how May came out, and I hope you guys also liked it. And if you liked it, please give this a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as well, and share this video. So you can also make a little book which is called a quote book. Write down quotes every single day, which is really nice. It makes your mind work properly. And yep, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Please like this video, and yep, that is it. Bye bye. Love you.